Hi guys, my name is Sofia Basala and my friends
Cristela Lomugia.
we are students from the Manado State Polytechnic.
4th grade, Informatic Engineering 4.
Let's begin.
In this Mysql video tutorial, we will provide the step to install the Mysql version 8.0.13.0.msi application on your own directly using the installation file from www.mysql.com.
Here are the steps. Continue by double-clicking the MySQL file. If you use Windows 7, 8, or Windows 10, a confirmation window will appear for administrator access right. Please click yes.
After the installation preparation process is complete, there will be a MySQL license display. At a glance, you will see that MySQL use the general public license. Check I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click the next button.
In the choosing a setup type window, there are several types of installation options, starting from the default, developer, server only, client only, full to custom. At this time we install custom, then click the next button.
In the select product and features window, we can choose what application and features you want to install.
It can be seen that the MySQL installation file bundles many components beside the MySQL server, such as admin application for Excel, Visual Studio, MySQL connector, and also documentation files. This is what makes the MySQL installer file so large.
Please click the top plus button MySQL Server until you find MySQL Server 8.0.13 64-bit. Select this option, then click the green arrow button in the middle of the window to move from the available product window to product. Select feature to be installed.
If you directly click the next button, the MySQL program will be installed in the folder C/program files /MySQL/MySQL server 8.0 and the data folder in C/program data /MySQL/MySQL server 8.0.
There are two entries: install directory, which will be the folder where the MySQL program files, and data directory where data files such as database and tables are located.
I will change install directory to C/MySQL 8.0 and data directory to C/MySQL 8.0/data. These two folders do not have to be the first because MySQL will make it automatically and by clicking the OK button, clicking next.
Installation window, what product and features you want to install will be displayed. Because we only choose MySQL server, only one of these product will be installed. Please click the execute button to start the MySQL server installation process.
The installation process will take a few moments, and when finished, click the next button several times until we enter the initial configuration section of MySQL.
MySQL initial configuration. After the installation process, MySQL will enter the configuration menu. The first window for this configuration process is group replication. In this window, select standalone MySQL server / classic MySQL replication because we will only run MySQL on one computer. Click the next button.
In the Type and Networking configuration windows, click the next button. In the Authentication method window, then click the next button. Account and User Root. In this section, we will create a password for the root user and if desired, it can also create another user. The root user has access right to all tables and database, including the deleting and exiting database. Because we use this MySQL server on our own computer, we will enter a password that is easy to remember. We will use a password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this window by clicking the next button.
The next window, Windows Service. Then the checkbox configure MySQL Server as Windows Service is selected. MySQL will be installed as then click next.
The last window is Apply Configuration. Click the Execute button. After a while, all configuration have been applied. Click the Finish button. In the product configuration window, there are no settings that we have to choose. Just click the next button. The MySQL server installation process is complete.
Test MySQL installation. After installing MySQL above, MySQL server automatically run in the background. We will try to access this MySQL server to test whatever MySQL has been installed properly. We will try to access MySQL command line client from the start menu. MySQL 8.0 command line client.
In the Doors window that opens, enter the password for the user root that we created earlier. In this tutorial, we gave the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then press enter. If the display will come to MySQL monitor, it appears then our MySQL installation is running successfully. To test the MySQL command, type the show database command, then press enter. MySQL installation process is complete and ready to use.
Okay guys,
Thanks
for watching
our video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and bye bye.
Bye bye.